Kerala model of successful handling of COVID-19 is being not just praised in India but across the globe. Why has Kerala succeeded and defeated even New York City, which has lesser population than even Kerala? Let's dissect and understand that. Kerala reported its first case of coronavirus patient who came from Wuhan city, who was a medical student, at the end of January. This was the first case reported from Kerala. Since then, Kerala government shut all the market, everything was under lockdown, all the shops were shut, all the colleges, schools and everything was shut. There was a reason why Kerala has succeeded. Everybody was put under quarantine and Kerala screened almost all the passengers who came from other states and other countries at all the 4 international airports in Kerala. Kerala has a fertility rate of 0.53%, which means it has now more patients who have recovered than the patients who are suffering from coronavirus. It has managed the crisis very successfully. It has put people under quarantine for 28 days, even going further and doing more than the guidelines given by the WHO, World Health Organization, which has said that people have to be put under quarantine for 14 days. The success of Kerala, or even Kerala model, which is now being talked about and admired so much, is not a result of one day or 1 year work. It has been done for generation. The system has been created for a generation as per experts. Experts also believe that people's participation and cooperation from the grassroots level has also helped Kerala so much. People are also very educated. The civil society is very active and they participate. The people and the public participate in the process willingly, and there is no force or anything like forceful quarantine or lockdown. Experts also believe that Kerala has various experiences in the past in which Kerala emerged so successfully in handling such crises. For example, Nipah virus, which was even more fatal than coronavirus. It has robust health infrastructure. It has grassroots level working structure. It has all the village level, very strong primary level of healthcare infrastructure, which is very strong. And Kerala has managed to do this successful and wonderful job despite having migrants and not falling in the category or not being called as suffering from migrant crisis. They addressed all the migrants who were from other states as guest workers. They asked all the migrant workers or guest workers and they communicated with all the guest workers in the regional language, for example in Bengali, in Bihari, in Hindi, to address them and to wait and to ask them how to manage and be prepared under this pandemic. They provided free meals, they provided free accommodation to all the migrant workers in Kerala. In Kerala, even the police officials brought all the essential things for all the people who had none to go to market and buy essential things and services. 1,200 community kitchens were set up to provide free meals to all the unemployed workers and unemployed people in Kerala. Kerala has a population of 33 million people, while New York has a population of 19 million people. Yet, New York has not been a successful model in handling COVID-19 situation, while Kerala has emerged out to be a highly successful model, not just in India but at global stage. Nearly 90% of all the positive cases were found and contact tracing was done. Aggressive contact tracing was done when people were under quarantine. This is all because of robust healthcare structure, people's participation, people oriented and people approach medical health services in Kerala, civil society, and also a strong grassroots level, a network of healthcare structure in Kerala.